Hi, today we want to show you how to professionally seal your tub shower with silicone. Before getting started, make sure you have the following equipment ready: rubber gloves, masking tape, scissors, a silicone gun with a nozzle, either cut straight or at a 45-degree angle, a bottle of soapy water, and a cloth for cleaning. Step 1. Make sure the surface is dry and free of dust. Do not use soapy water or cleaning products on this area, as they may affect the performance of the silicone. Step 2. Once the surface is clean and dry, apply the masking tape on both sides of the joint. Ensure to leave a gap of 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch between the strips of masking tape. This is where we'll apply the silicone sealant to ensure a secure and watertight seal for your tub shower. Step 3. Using the silicone gun, apply a steady and consistent bead of silicone along the joint, bearing in mind that perfection is not necessary at this stage, as we will be refining the finish in the next step. Step 4. To perfect the finish, dip your finger into the soapy water and run it along the silicone line. This removes excess silicone, creating a smooth finish. Start from one corner, work towards the middle, then repeat from the opposite corner, ensuring even distribution and preventing accumulation. Step 5. Remove the masking tape within 10 minutes of applying the silicone. This will ensure clean lines and prevent the silicone from drying onto the tape. Step 6. Wait 24 hours for the silicone to dry completely before using the shower again. Follow these steps carefully for a professional-looking finish. For more information about our products, feel free to visit our channel or our website.